We're here at the 28th annual Roseville Big Bird Run with the mayor of Roseville, Harold Haw, and you have an exciting story to tell this year. Can you tell us a little bit about the millage?
Yes, it was a very exciting story. We had 17,000 voters from the city of Roseville come out and barely passed our millage by 700 voters, but it kept this beautiful recreation facility open and our police and fire and the rest of our services going in the city of Roseville. So we're very excited about that.
We know a lot of us who've been coming to do this race for many years. This is part of the tradition of November and running in Michigan. We're looking at it closely too because we didn't want to see the race go away. So I think maybe that millage might have helped the race stay around too, don't you think? I
definitely think that. This is one of our premier events in the city of Roseville, and we are extremely proud every year this event comes up.
Well, you know, one of the things that's specifically nice about Roseville is its people. And I think one of the reasons so many of us runners come back year after year after year is we're just treated so well. We're treated like family, and people are, there are lots of great volunteers, and that's one of the things that we like about coming back here. Do you have anything to do with getting all these volunteers here?
Well, actually, a lot of the volunteers are the Roseville Optimists, and that is a club that I formed 14 years ago, and I'm the charter president of the club, and I'm very, very proud to have been affiliated with them. And our city is known for being a family-oriented city, and our people just love to demonstrate and show Roseville off, and I think that's all part of this as well.
You sure do a great job of it on Roseville Big Bird Day, and we're really happy to hear about the Optimists. Thank you for telling us about that, and thank you for talking with us.
Thank you, and it's my pleasure, and welcome to the city of Roseville, and let's have a great Big Bird Run today.
On your mark, get set.
We gotta go. Yeah, 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 yeah. It's a new Oh no, we gotta go.
We have here the president and vice president of the Roseville Optimist Club, and as I understand it, you folks provide most of the volunteers that help the Big Bird race be so successful. And it looks like you're having a lot of fun doing it. What's your name?
I'm Barbara Migler. I'm the president this year.
And you're the president-elect, is that right? And what's your name?
Yes, I'm Dave Coburn, president-elect for upcoming year. Yes.
Now, I know the Optimists do things besides monitor all the corners for a race like this. What are some of the other things that you do during the year? Let's start with you, Barb.
Well, right now, today, we're washing fruit to be able to pass out to the runners when they come in, the fruit, the bagels, and the water. But during the year, we have different projects that we're working on. We have a Friend of Youth that is what national organization says, that all Optimists are Friend of Youth. All our fundraising money goes to fund youth programs. Right now, we're working on coming season, holiday season, that we're trying to help as much as we can. And we have some students that are continuing education for young mothers, and they have little babies, and we're collecting stuff for them, and we're collecting for some of the needy children in the schools. You know how the economy is really hard this time of year, so we're trying to collect what we can for that. And we're looking at starting a backpack buddy program where it's a national program, and students, we're going to adopt a class, and the students on weekends that are disadvantaged will have food sent home for them to have food on their weekend, so that they don't go all weekend without any food. And just another program we have coming up, a youth appreciation. We identify one student from every grade in Roseville Community Schools. The teacher writes something about the student that they've selected that meets our Optimist Creed, and then we honor them by coming to the auditorium. And we have probably 500 to 600 people in the audience, while we honor about 85 each session, and we have 2 groups that we're honoring this year. And then we have Respect for Law, where we identify something in the community. That this last year we identified the 39th District Court, because they do so much to keep the children and the youth of the community, try to keep them out of the system.
It sounds like you really have an incredibly busy year. Is there anything she may have left out, Dave?
I doubt it. We, as you mentioned, we're getting ready now for the youth appreciation program for the kids. We just finished a pumpkin roll down that the kids were really enjoy. We had about 100 participants in that pumpkin roll down. We also, as Barb mentioned, we assist with families sometimes if we find that they may be having some tough times now in this economic situation and that we're all going through. We may assist the families if we can.
Well, it sounds like the Optimist Club of Roseville is not only a huge part of the Big Bird race, but you're just an integral part of the Roseville community. And there it is, runners. You're supporting all these great causes when you're out there running the Big Bird. Thank you so much for talking with us.
To all community service organizations such as the Roseville Kiwanis Club, the Roseville Optimist Club, the Roseville Lions Club, the Roseville Handicap Association, the Roseville Goodfellows, and Roseville Caring Clowns. The proceeds go to all these organizations who in turn help out needy families and students in the area. So we want to give a big thank you to all those community service organizations for helping out today.